Hello everybody and welcome back to another Paw Patrol Fan 95 presentation. So in this video I will be unboxing the Paw Patrol Mighty Movie Pup Squad Aircraft Carrier HQ playset. So without further ado, let's get started. Roll the intro! And also in this video, I'll be testing to see whether Paw Patrol True Metal vehicles work, and whether Disney Cars 155 scale diecast will work. Alright, let's get this playset out of the box. Ooh. Oh, that's cute! I love it! It's so small! Whoa! There goes the jet! So this is the exclusive jet, the wings fold down. Here is the exclusive jet with the cool pink wheels. And here is the regular version that you can get as a single or in the 3-pack. Not much of a difference, only difference is that the wheels are pink. Still a cool variant. And I also believe that there is a Chase figurine in this playset. But where he is, I don't know. Maybe he's in here. Oh, there he is! He's in the cabin! Huh, that's cute. Let me get him out of his wrapper. There he is. A very detailed figurine. With nice details on him. Miniaturized. With his 2 front paws coloured in. Nice. His 2 back paws are blue. I don't think that's accurate. Hang on. Let me just check my DVD cover for the movie. Oh, what do you know? He has 2 boots on the back that are probably, maybe a bluish colour. They have blue highlighting on them. Oh, what do you know? Oh. So anyway, here's the playset. A really cool boat. No batteries required. Are there instructions in here? There are instructions in here, that's good. I'll just have a look at them. Okay, so what you want to do is open up the lid and place the vehicle, or better fold the wings up. Don't think it'll work with the wings out. Put her in there and push down. I better move the camera back and the stand for the camera back. I want to have plenty of room for when this thing transforms. Whoa! Okay, that's cool. And I think you push this button and... Whoa! Wow, this is cool. So that's basically the playset. There's spots for you to put the figurine. You can put him in here. Over here, over here, in here. Let's put him in there. Whee! Like a little slide. Doesn't work as well as the vehicle. Now, whoa, Chase fell off. Let's put him over here. Time to see whether True Metal vehicles work. Here's Chase. Oh, he doesn't fit. Oh, he kind of fits. Hang on. Oh no, he's stuck. Ah! Oh, that's cool. Whoa! That trapdoor mechanism. Oh, that is so cool. Will it work with Lightning McQueen? Probably not. Let's put him in like this. Whoa! So if you put him in front down, back up like that, and you push the button, it will work. Let's try that with the True Metal vehicle. Oh, not so much. What about Johnny Blamer? The Piston Cup racer, will he work? No. Hang on, let me get a mini racer. A Disney Cars mini racer Doc Hudson. Will he work? No. He turned upside down. So really, this playset is only for the vehicles that are part of the Pup Squad line. Let's try Zoomer. What? Why didn't Zoomer work? Hang on, let's try that again. Let's clear everybody away. There we go. It's like I thought this was a Pup Squad playset. Surely it would work with Pup Squad vehicles. Actually, let's try Rubble's True Metal vehicle. Neon Racer. No, that's way too big. Let's try it anyway. It kind of worked. Huh. So, if your question was, does it work with True Metal vehicles? The answer is kind of. Actually, let's try Sky's Super Paws vehicle. Whoa! That's actually not too far off from the size. Let's try it. No. So really, it doesn't really work with True Metal vehicles, but it kind of does at the same time. Let's try Tomica diecast. This Tomica Ivan Mater diecast from Cars 2. Ooh, he kind of fits. Whoa! So technically I can say that the Tomica diecast worked. Huh. So what do you know? Some things work better than others, I guess. But the thing that works the best are the intended Pup Squad vehicles. I want to see that transformation again. That was cool. Whoa-ho-ho. Let's put Chase in there. Where's the Chase True Metal? Not True Metal, the Pup Squad vehicle. Should be around here somewhere. There he is. Paw Patrol is on a roll. Woo! Let's turn it this way so it's racing towards the camera. Paw Patrol is on a roll. Whoa, oh no. Let's try that one more time. Paw Patrol is on a roll. Maybe the door needs realigning. There we go. Let's try that. And for, I think, the third time, Paw Patrol is on a roll. There we go. Cool. Oh, there's a little jail. Like a little cage. Let's put Chase in there. Oh no, Chase is in jail. There's stairs over here. Like the ones that Sky ascends in the Mighty movie, right before she touches the Mighty Meteor and it splits open, revealing the crystals. Wait, what does this do? Oh, that doesn't actually move. For a second I thought that moved. Huh. You could even put Chase on the runway. Put Chase up here, over here. Oh, there's a little control panel. How cute. Let's try Ryder's True Metal vehicle. Hang on. Here we go. Will that work? I don't think it will, but... oh, maybe. Maybe it will. Whoa! So Ryder works. Huh. That's cool. So there you have it. The Paw Patrol Pup Squad Aircraft Carrier HQ playset. This is a really cool playset with an awesome transformation and a really cool exclusive Pup Squad vehicle. And a really cool Chase figurine, which I don't think is exclusive to the set. I think you can... update. So the figurine from the set and the figurine from the blind boxes are actually different. The one from the blind boxes has two blue front paws, and the figurine from the set has two yellowish front paws. And also, the one from the set has more detailing on the helmet. This one has less detailing painted in, as well as the black goggles. Well, not goggles, more like a mask. And this one does not have the black mask painted in. Also, oh yeah, the yellow line is not painted in on the one from the blind box. And the tail on the one from the blind box has a black tail, and this one has a blue tail. So yeah, those are the differences between the blind box variant and the variant from the set. Now back to the video. I think you can also get him in the blind boxes as well. But I think I don't think he is exclusive. He mightn't be exclusive. Here he is. Yeah. So thank you all so much for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye now!